Okay, so this is the Mustang Mountain Coaster in Estes Park, Colorado. This is by far the prettiest mountain coaster that I've been on. Puts the Smoky Mountain Coaster to shame, all of them, every single one. I highly recommend coming out here. This is super fun. And yeah, we already rode it a couple times before, and it was honestly great both times, so I'm excited to just do it once more and be on our way. So yeah, I will see y'all at the top. Thank you.
All right, you're good to get out to.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Yeah.